Today, we have had a great moment in the Republic of Kenya. We have had a great moment in the Republic of Kenya. Today, President William Samoei Ruto and the Right Honorable Raila Odinga, they have signed an MoU. They have signed what? On how the country will be governed going forward. But let me remind you, President William Ruto has voted for Raila twice. President William Ruto voted for Raila in 2007. President William Ruto voted for Raila in AUC Addis Ababa. The only person who has not voted for Ruto is Raila Odinga. With this MoU, I'm sure our president candidate in 2027 is William Samoei Ruto. When I say this, many people wanasema papa, lakini inaenda hivi nafi. Ndio mnajua Elisha anajua. Okay? So I want to ask our brothers from Central Kenya, to remember that Kenya belongs to everybody. Last week, I was driving to Nyeri. The road from Nairobi to Nyeri, there's one way going to Nyeri, there's another road coming from Nyeri to Nairobi. When I asked another gentleman from Central Kenya, he told me that that road goes until Ethiopia. So it is a strategic road. That's why there are two highways. And I asked him, the road from Nairobi to Kisumu goes up to Kampala. It is also a strategic road. So if you are having a two highway, we should have a two highway from Nairobi to Kampala and also from Nairobi to Eldoret, because from Eldoret it also goes to Kampala. We cannot have a skewed distribution of resources where some people have cows on the road, and us, when we are coming home in December, we sleep on the road for 3 days to reach Kisumu. That will never happen. I believe that MoU should resolve the problems this country has had on distribution, equitable distribution of resources. And I believe the President and Raila will redress those issues and the issues that they listed in the MoU. Today, I witnessed Sifuna signing MoU, and he agreed that there was discussion in the Central Committee and they approved it. I'm glad that finally Paul has seen the light. Paul has seen what? I'm hoping that our governor can come out clearly and say whether he's supporting MoU which was signed today or not. I am sure in a number of days that should be more clear.
Group from Argwings. get ready. Chinese group, get ready after Gonyo.
Nilikutana naye hapa seo Mutumbo 2025, kibaridi cha asubuhi sio kali ni
It's